Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on additional features for vehicle animation using Autopath software. In this video, we'll explore how to track specific points on a vehicle, convert swept paths into polylines, and analyze vehicle motion across different road designs, all with just a few clicks. Let's start with the tracking point feature. This tool becomes especially useful when working with wide load trucks or vehicles towing trailers. It allows you to track any specific point, like the trailer's edge, rear axle, or a custom reference, so you can ensure that every part of the vehicle can safely navigate through the road without clipping curbs or hitting obstacles. First, make sure you're in the Autopath tab and have a swept path ready. If you're new to this, we've created a separate tutorial covering swept path creation in detail. But for now, we'll use an existing path for this truck with a trailer, making tight turns a bit more challenging. Click on the Track Point button, then select any point on or near the vehicle that you want to monitor. As you can see, Autopath automatically tracks the selected point throughout the vehicle's movement, helping you evaluate clearance and turning accuracy. You can even add multiple tracking points to ensure smooth maneuverability for larger vehicles. Now, let's convert the swept path into a polyline for further analysis. Simply click on the Swept Path to Polyline button, select the swept path, and Autopath will instantly generate a polyline. This polyline can be useful for various tasks, such as creating another swept path for a different vehicle. To do that, just click on Horizontal Analysis, choose a new vehicle, and hit OK. Autopath will generate a fresh swept path based on the same polyline, allowing you to compare vehicle movements effortlessly. But what if you want to test this same swept path on another road? Instead of recreating it from scratch, simply use the Analysis to Block tool. With one click, Autopath converts the swept path into a block that you can copy and place anywhere, making it easy to test different road layouts without repeating the process. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to refine vehicle animations, analyze road designs, and ensure seamless movement in even the most constrained spaces. Take your road designs to the next level with Autopath. Present Trade is here to help you maximize efficiency and precision in every project. Contact us today and discover how Autopath can streamline your workflow. Happy designing!